This tutorial goes over how to create a synchronous web conference session in D2L Learning Management System. The first thing that you want to do is click on the Content tab. Then you want to go down to Add a Module. We will call this Web Conferencing. Next, you want to go to Add to Existing Activities. We want External Learning Tools. Now we're going to search for Blackboard Collaborate Ultra. Click on the hyperlink. And here you will create your session. Click Create Session. You want to name your session. We'll call this session Week 1. You'll want to enter the dates that this session will be available from. So we're going to put today's date to the end of the semester. Then go to your settings option. And from here, we want to select Moderators Supervise All Private Chats. Then go ahead and click the Create button. And save. Now you can see your synchronous web conference has been created.